Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Skyscanner for business trips? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and simply go ahead and search for skyscanner.net and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and select where are you headed to. And for example, if it's a written trip, of course it's going to be a written trip as it is a business date. So as you can see, depart is going to be 22 and it's gonna be a return on 24, so it's just a 3 days trip, and I can simply go ahead and click on apply. Now what I can do is simply go ahead and add a hotel if I want to, and also on this cabin class I can simply go ahead and select business class and click on apply. Go ahead and click on search. Once you've done that, as you can see, it's going to show you the airlines with hotels as well. So for example, if I go ahead and choose this, which is the best deal right over here, all I need to do is just click on continue. So for example, let me just go ahead and do that. As you can see, these are my business class tickets, so it's going to go ahead and take me to my trip because that is where this apparently is. You could also go ahead and choose it from others right over here, and now all you need to do is just click on view trip and just go ahead and get it. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.